Hey YouTube,
What's up?
welcome back to my channel. It's your girl,
Remy Madison.
In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do
100 different shuffle moves.
Kentobaby is another shuffler on YouTube who recently put out a video teaching 100 different cutting shapes moves. So today, I'm going to attempt all of those moves. Let's get into this video.
literally dripping sweat profusely right now.
So I was so exhausted after 50 moves. I think I'm gonna do a part 2 of attempting this because I could not finish all of the 100 moves at one time. Some of the moves I was familiar with and I've done them before and I use them frequently. Some of them I've seen other shufflers do, but I've never actually tried it. Others I've tried, but I've never continued trying with it. And then there was a couple that were completely brand new, and you can see that I'm struggling with some of them so hard, so it's not the proper tutorial for them. Now I have some new moves to learn, to work on, and improve, so then I can give you guys better tutorials in weeks to come. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a couple days in my next video. Whoa, wait. If you want to learn how to shuffle dance, I am teaching yet another beginner shuffle dance class this Friday. Claim your spot down below. The link will be in the description. Love you so much.